Good morning.
Morning said. Check Euro CAD.
I am checking it. I am checking it right away. Your CAD 1 hour looks pretty nice. It looks clean. We had this level last week also. 10 pips breakout, perfect. What else do we need here? Retest is coming. A nice bullish candle. We don't have any news coming up, right?
No.
No, but I have high spread now. I don't know why. 1.7, 1.5, it's too much for me. I will
Yeah,
not
that's
take.
a big
How
spread.
much do you have?
Me, let me
Two
see.
now. What the fuck?
Is there any kind of news? This might be. No, my spread is perfect. How do I see the spread on MetaTrader? Okay, guys, I am taking a EuroCAD buy. Andre, your mic is a little bit too noisy right now. Maybe you don't know.
Yeah, thank you, Seth. I have a new computer, so I need to set it up.
Okay, no worries. Guys, I took EuroCAD buys. We have a breakout and we have a retest currently happening right now. And we expect some continuation to the upside to fill the range. Or just to give a few pips. Maybe not to fill the whole range because it's a pretty big range here. It's around 35 pips. It's pretty big. How much do we need? I'm using a 12 pip stop. We need 12 pip first to get a 1-to-1 risk reward, then more than that is just a bonus for us. And go just flipping bullish and we would be done, I think. Let's see. Today CAD election. Let me take a look. What do we have today? Oh, that's nice. Where's that election? It doesn't show here, but I don't know. Your cat is moving fast. Let's see, we're 18 minutes, almost 20 minutes in the new 1 hour, so there's a lot of time for this to work out. Yeah, Andre?
Is the microphone okay or is it too noisy?
It's better now, I think.
Okay, so about this EuroCAD, we saw that, but the only thing we were not sure is the minor level that you can see in the 1 hour, where the price already went.
Maybe you're thinking about this?
Yes. Even Nick saw that. I saw that, but I was not sure if consider it. And actually, when the price opened, he went there first, and after he came to entry. That's why we didn't take it.
I don't know, it doesn't feel like, it doesn't seem like a strong level to turn this into a fake out.
Okay.
I guess, because we have a lot of rejections here too, and a lot more than there. And if price went to this, I don't know, it just doesn't feel like there's a level to be worried about. It seems like this is the next level for AUD CAD, and we had some build up to this point where we have a big bullish candle closing above the zone. I think it has to work. There's no reason why not here.
Okay.
If this would have some more rejections, I would say, but it doesn't seem like it's a serious level to me right now.
Yeah,
And
it's not visible on 4 hour at all.
yeah, if it's not visible on the 4 hour too, so it's no need to worry about that. And right now we have good momentum, a nice breakout candle. All we need is just some continuation. I think
Can you have a look as well to USD CAD? It's very similar to this trade and is already would be good profit as well.
USD CAD. No, actually it's not similar. This
No?
this for example, I wouldn't take a trade on this kind of zone. It's just not
Okay.
enough. Going to the left is too far. It is too far, so it's not worth looking on the left here. Oh, we needed more rejections here. Let's focus at your CAD here, because we gotta be here when it gives us around 12 pips is what we need. More than that, it's a bonus after. Get 1-to-1 around here.
So with this trade, Euro CAD, I did put my stop loss a little bit lower, like under the body of the candle. So to me, it's like 16 pips.
So why are you using a different stop loss? Is there like a reason? Because there's no need.
I don't know. It was just when I put the trade, it was like pretty fast. So I just put under the body.
So where's the entry?
Oh, the entry is the 49962.
49962, exactly as mine. So there's no need for you to use a bigger stop and then needing a bigger move to the upside to get the profit, because I take profit here, then price doesn't push more and you get stuck in a trade and maybe you take a loss after. There's no need. Just bring your stop loss. Look, the whole point here is to try to think how far this retest is gonna come, and there's no need to put stop loss below the candle when price is already gonna come here, because this is an extra 3-4 pips and can cause you a bigger loss. Not that it can cause you a bigger loss, but also it prevents you taking profits earlier, and just for 1-2 pips you miss out the chance to close everything, and you end up closing at break even. So just think this logically. If price already comes here, it's already gonna come below that, because it's gonna reverse the whole candle, and that's a big sign that the fake out is coming. So there's no need to put stop loss below this at all. Just based on the momentum.
I need to work on, because that was my mistake on Friday and the last week, like 2 trades like this. And actually, I didn't put like lower from the, how do you say, the week, just lower from the body, like maybe 3 pips, like, before the week, like just after the body.
Yeah. I understand, but it's just if I use a stop loss like this at this level, I don't know why you guys need to use a different stop loss, or
Yeah,
a
actually, I didn't
smaller
saw
one, or a
exactly.
bigger one.
Yeah, I
So
didn't saw your stop loss. I just thought that was like, yeah, okay.
yeah, if I use a 10 pip stop loss, you guys use a 10 pip stop loss. I don't want to see you guys get stopped before me. You know, I don't want to be in the trade still and you guys are stopped, because it wouldn't make sense. If we're taking a trade, we are taking at a certain point and we're using a certain stop loss, and you're going to use the same stop loss. There's no need to have no say no, I'm using a 20 pip, you use only 10, because it just there's no need for that. We see where the stop loss needs to be, and there's no point using a 20 pip stop loss, adding another 10 here, because just gonna be harder for you to get to the take profit point. So we use here 12 pip stop loss, because we know that if it comes already here, it's already a fake out and done, except if something, you know, crazy happens, like it happened with GJ the other week. Otherwise, it's simply this should be the last time it touches level, and we move on to the next one. It's the beginning of the first 30 minutes. Usually we expect the move to be on the last 30 minutes, but we'll see. I think it should be good. We can even have the move on the next candle if it doesn't on this. As long as we stay above, we're good to go, I think. Yeah, your cat is good. Is good. If let's see if it's gonna respect this level. If you look on the last 4 hours or five, actually, we've had plenty of rejections. So then, boom, we have a clean breakout of 10 pips. Even if it does a fake out, I don't expect to do it right on this candle. It wouldn't make any sense. There's no news to affect that. I think we're good to go. Samuel, no, you don't need to wait 30 pips for your CAD here. We need first around 12 pips. You get 1% there, and you can keep a runner after. That's your choice. But if this goes 1% in profit and you don't close anything, you might miss out after, because you can't expect every time to fill the whole range. Even though at this point it's a big chance that it fills the whole range, because we basically don't have any traffic on left. It's just the next zone is around 30 pips to the upside. I guess it's gonna take some time. CAD election, yeah, now I remembered because I saw it on Instagram. It's ongoing, and I guess today are the results. Not sure. I haven't checked to make sure. It's good thing today is looks quiet from the news. We should have some nice technical movements today. Let's see the other pairs. So look at GJ. Pretty nice drop to the downside. Geo the same. I guess the other pairs are not doing much. So let's stay with AUD CAD here, see what happens. Does it mean we should avoid CAD pairs? It means we should avoid CAD pairs, but I guess later on, sometime. I think now it's not dangerous yet to trade CAD. I gotta see when the results gonna come. Or does anyone have? Monday night. It says Monday night, so we'll see. Leszek, you're done?
Yes, I am done. You can check on the bottom.
Oh, perfect. Perfect, my friend, perfect. Finally, Leszek passed FTMO. Done deal. How many trades? Oh, so nice.
Only 10 trading days minimum. But I was very picky, it took me a long time.
Yeah.
But you know, I got a lot of left, 3 weeks left.
Yeah. That's the good thing about verification, because you have a lot of time and you can be picky. You know, to pick and choose which one you want to take, because there's a lot of time, like 2 months. It's a lot. Let's see, our cat came for a deeper retest. Let's see. It's time to push. It's time to push now. I'm gonna post on the group also, because I forgot. Okay, we're cat coming deeper in the zone. Did we start the previous Monday with a loss? Because the Mondays are starting to get weird. Starting the Mondays with losses. Let me check, cause I think GU. Not sure. No, I don't see what trade we took last Monday. Well, let's wait. Your cat coming deeper in the zone. I don't see a reason why this is happening, but we're gonna wait. There's a lot more time till the end of this candle, so I guess we have time for this to close above, then move up on the next candle. Since we didn't get the whole move on the rejection, we got like 8-9 pips, but was not enough. Do you guys take AUD JPY on Friday?
Yes, we did.
And it turned out to be important level. Important trade, I mean.
Yeah, also got me worried a little bit, but at the end it worked. Yeah, it is like with these 4-hour trades, you sometimes have to wait a little bit.
Yeah, the 4-hour trades take a little bit longer and they come a little bit deeper for the retest, so it's right to take some more time. Look to the left, Euro CAD retested the level, could be headed lower. Well, what level did the Euro CAD retest? Because from what I see here on this current situation, we're not doing anything wrong. If this is going to turn into a fake out, we might find a reason, but I don't see a reason right now. It looks perfectly fine. Even Euro CAD, you can see it had a small zone here, and we had this resistance. We had a few rejections before having this big breakout above. This should have been the retest, but I guess we're coming down now. Not sure the reason is, but we're waiting to see what happens. My stop loss is around here 820, yeah. Makes no sense, but we'll see. It might be a touch of stop loss and push all the way up. Can that be possible? I'm not gonna move my stop though. Even if it just stops me out and moves all the way up, I'm not moving my stop loss. I'm just gonna let it do what it does. We came pretty close. Let's see. Anything can happen by this time, because we're on the last 20 minutes now. Can have a whole push to the downside, a whole rejection, everything.
Yeah, EuroCAD is a little crazy.
EuroCAD is actually I didn't have.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I was lucky because I got big spread. I didn't took it.
It's not over yet. It's not over yet. But let's see.
Exactly.
One small push and we're out. I didn't have any doubts about it
No,
because
I would
it
take
made
it
no
also.
sense.
I would take it also. It was good.
But see a whole pullback of the breakout candle. It's not okay. Canadian Swiss franc. It looks like a nice level. We don't usually trade this pair, but I don't know.
I really hope Euro CAD will not tap 81 and go up. This is what can happen, like you said.
You think so?
You never know.
I mean, there's a 20 pips. There's a 20 minute left in the candle.
Maybe it's getting late little bit.
Yeah, but it can happen still. I mean, 20 minutes is a lot. It only needs like 5 minutes and it rejects all the way to the upside. I mean, we're just hanging out there for 1 pip. Still in. I guess it's going to get stopped if it doesn't reject from here.
Mondays.
Doesn't matter.
Of course it doesn't matter.
On Monday we took 2 GJ loss.
Yeah. If you follow the rules, it's all okay.
Wait, we took 2 losses on GJ on Monday? Last week? 13th of September was Monday? Yeah. Yeah, then we had a big win on Euro USD though. 3 trades last Monday. Let's see. Maybe we got away with this. Maybe we got away with it with murder here. If that's so, we're going all the way up. See, the point now is that after spending a lot of time at support and coming below that, you don't expect a whole push to the upside. So instead, you focus on what price is going to do now. Is it going to close below or above? Where is going to stop you out? Because there's no hope for this to go all the way up now. Simply, there's not much time. But this being a fake out makes zero sense. Anyway, it doesn't matter, we'll see. Yeah, last Monday we took 2 losses on GJ. One was half, one was full, 1.5 loss. Then we got Euro USD, it gave us around 2% and made us the loss back and a few more. I guess I got stopped. Check. Yeah, we're taking a loss on your CAD here. Taking a loss, starting Monday nicely with a loss.
Yeah, and as you said, these pips didn't matter, even if you would put the stop loss under.
Yeah, see, because It would
It
just
went
be
like, yeah.
it would be just like 5 more pips loss. This trade is a 1% loss, guys. This trade is a 1% loss.
So actually the price respected the small level, the one that is not really clear, but that's what it did. It opens it went to touch it, and all the way he rejected from there.
Look, now maybe you can say this was the reason. Maybe we can say this was the reason, but honestly, it had a very, very good chance of continuation. It still doesn't make sense to me because that level is nothing as a strong level.
Yeah, I agree with
Still,
you,
it's
Seth, on that. It's totally.
look. Would you
You can
take?
always find something.
Yeah, but just look at it this way. Would you take a trade on this level? Probably not. But would you take on this? Of course, and we did take it. But on a level like this, I wouldn't take a trade because I wouldn't take that as a good level to take a trade.
Of course, best is when the price goes just down, just starts from retracement. It's best not go up first, but
Yeah, but it didn't make a new high or something to push another 5, 6 pips.
yeah,
So I guess it was some more time for it.
and the Euro CAD is, yeah, it used to fake us. It used to fake us a lot.
Yeah, your CAD use is like more likely to give us a fake out. Yeah, but I don't regret taking this at all. I don't
No,
regret this. It was perfect. If this would have gone all the way up and I wouldn't take that would be I would regret that, but
no,
not taking
you
this.
was very unlucky anyways because it was like 2 pips to your take profit. So
Yeah, I mean we had a pullback. It almost went bullish, but was not it meant to be. We move on. Just a bad trade.
it's a good
A
loss,
bad.
I would say, like that.
Yeah, this loss doesn't hurt. Some losses hurt, but this one no.
Yeah, when you fuck something up, then
I think you should mark the level. Look, okay, let's say you have this level here. Well, let's say, but I don't count this as a strong level to make all this possible because it doesn't make sense. I'll never come back to this channel. Goodbye. Goodbye, my friend.
real trader never take losses.
No, I guess a one is enough for them to quit. How many
Good luck.
wins we had last week? I mean,
Good luck. Good luck.
good luck. Look, nobody here loses than me on a trade. That's what I guarantee you. So, if there's someone to complain, it's me. But I don't. It's just another trade. I mean, how many wins we had last week? This doesn't affect us at all. But of course, you don't want to start with a loss on a Monday. Of course, you don't want that. It's not good, but it happens. So this is trading. You start with a loss. Last week we started with 2 losses, then we ended up taking plenty of wins during the week. So it's a good sign maybe. we go on and we'll do the same this week. I made him lose 1k? No, I didn't, bro. I guarantee you he lost 10 euros probably. I need proof that he lost 1k, because I don't trust.
So the guy
No,
risking 1k copying trades on the YouTube everywhere? What the
no, bro, he didn't risk
Of
1k.
course.
And especially if you're new to the stream, you don't risk 1k in a trade just like that. Except if you're a long time viewer and you know what we do, you don't risk 1k. Even though I used to risk like 2-3k on a trade when Sean Lee took a trade, blindly. I didn't even know what his analyses were or anything, because he didn't use to explain or anything like that. Like, that was my first year. He was just taking stupid trades, I can say, on some pairs. I would put like 2k on the line without even hearing the analysis or why it was taken or anything. I just saw him posting on Instagram and I would straight risk 2k for the trade, because yeah, I guess I thought he was one of the best, and at the end you end up losing 2k, and he keeps them until one day comes back a price and that he can say it's in profit, it didn't lose the trade. I mean, as long as you don't use stop loss, you're not losing.
Yeah, proper risking is more important than good strategy. You can blow any account with good strategy and bad risking.
Yeah.
I am happy now, maybe I will be able to risk 1k on the trade.
You will easy, bro. Is it really a loss if you set your risk parameters properly? Look, this loss is zero effect to us. We had plenty of wins. Plus, the point is that when you take a trade based on all your rules and it ends up failing, what can you do, really? You can't do anything. Just take that loss. You followed all the rules, so there's no regrets there. If you take a trade with doubts, knowing that this can cause a problem, then that hurts more. It hurts more than the one that you follow the rules. Because nothing's 100%, of course. Let's see AUD CAD going all the way to the upside. This looks nice. Euro GBP looks nice, but I'm afraid a little bit that it went a little bit too far, and there's a lot of rejections here. It might end up like AUD CAD at the end. So careful. I don't usually trade Euro GBP, or I don't trade ever. Oh my god.
Yeah, I saw that now.
Yeah, so my stop loss got hit and it went down more for 0.3 pips and now it's up.
Yeah, but no
Yeah,
stop loss could cover that. It's
yeah, because it would make sense to use a 20 pip stop loss.
no, no.
No, no,
Would have been
yeah,
too far. Yeah.
It was unlucky, and we should put Euro CAD to stupid pairs for some time.
Hmm. Here we go. It's unlucky, unlucky. I kind of knew something is like this gonna happen, but I didn't want to believe, so I just waited to see.
Yeah, you use best stop loss possible because when it went through like in 3 seconds, 5 more pips.
Have you guys noticed one thing? Um, Even when we take a loss, have you noticed that it never goes against us? Even if we take a loss, we still end up going to the same direction that we expected. But the whole point is we get some weird retest, some deep pullbacks or something.
Yeah, same on GJ. Last time it
Yeah,
was very weird. It was 4 hour fake out. It's uncommon.
yeah. It's like we don't get a fake out and price goes all the way to the other side.
It's
It
like liquidity grab and go.
Yeah, it rarely happens to go all the way against against us. It usually just some weird pullback that stops us out, that makes no sense, and a whole move to the direction that we expected. Like if you look at this, it makes no sense. All this pullback for what? That's the thing.
Stupid pair.
Don't you think you should have moved the stop loss a little down instead of taking loss? No. If you start moving the stop loss, it can end up very badly. You move it a little bit, then you say, okay, I'm just gonna move it a little bit, so it does that just continues to push, and you lose way more than you expect in the beginning. That's why we set the stop loss first, and then we take the trade because it's just not worth it. I'd rather take a loss here than just see price pushing deeper than this and just hope that it comes, because you're just in constant
Yeah, your risk should be
I don't
fixed. You
understand
should you
the
should you should
word.
know what you risk, and if you are moving stop loss, you don't know what you risk.
Yeah, I meant I would be just in constant fear that price is gonna hit your stop loss. Just I honestly wouldn't expect a whole move up when price comes already here, because it would just make no sense. I'd rather just take the loss and move on to the next one. Because whatever happens now is just pure luck. Because there's no technical sense in it. So we wait. Okay, so your CAD closed below that, and it has another level here, so move on from your CAD now. There's nothing happening here. We move on from your CAD till the next day, sometime when it becomes better to trade it.
I need to go, guys. Good luck. Hope you will get something, maybe.
Where you going, Lejek? Now you're done with stream since you passed the FTMO?
Sorry?
You're just gonna leave us now because you passed FTMO?
Exactly. I am leaving you.
Okay. See you, bro.
Bye.
Have a nice day. EJ is good, bro. It looks nice on the 4 hour. It's a pretty good level. See? It's a pretty nice level here. Yeah, I guess we'll see about CAD pairs. Most likely we're not going to get another setup on CAD pairs, so I don't expect much from them. And the news, the election result, it says that it can happen Monday night, so it's just the morning right now. It's a lot of time, but if it happens even on the Monday night, it's not sure. There's doubts that might get the results on Monday night. So it's nothing 100%. Wow, look at GJ, it's melting. GJ is melting to the downside. I don't know, we didn't even get a chance around this level here. Some crazy pullback. Honestly, when we get back in the range, I thought there's going to be some kind of big move to the upside, but we only filled the range. It was a good trade though, this one too. GJ right now, it's I don't see what can you do on GJ right now, because there's nothing much. It's just the melting, yeah. It's like this is around 70 pips. Wow, 76 pips in the last 3 hours. It's a pretty big drop. And now we're coming. Oh, let me see. We're coming to the next support soon. 149.800. Next support on GJ. It's coming soon. Yeah, I guess from this current point here, current price level, I guess we're going to push around another 15 pips till this next level, because we don't really have much now. So it got to be this next level. Going to 149 might be a little bit harder. Going to 149, but it can happen, of course, can happen. It just might be a little harder, because see, it's been just dropping and dropping. You expect some small pullback and before pushing for another 100 pips, you know, because that's another 70 or 80 pips. It's a pretty big move expected in a single day. It already dropped a lot. Look on the daily. Yeah, let's see the daily. Actually, daily has the same level here on 149.800. This can stop GJ from going there, or it can slow it down a little bit. maybe not stop, but slow it down because it's a pretty strong level. See, this is the daily level, and you can see all the rejections here always. The price is there right now. It might take some time till it breaks, but it can move down. Surely, why not? It dropped a lot, so we do expect some small rejection at least. You shorted GU as a swing trade. I hope you didn't take sells here, my friend. I just hope that having an entry at the end of the candle would be the worst case possible here. This is going to make a whole pullback. If you have buys here, just I advise to close them because the chances of pulling back here are pretty big. It's not a good entry to have there. $7.33. It's very bad entry. Close it. It's not a smart entry at all. And don't enter trade here. It's just too bad right now to enter. You can have a whole pullback here no time. You gotta be careful. You need to find a zone to take the trade. Not just take the trade anywhere. You gotta find a zone. There's no point here. You're taking sells in the middle of nowhere. At least you gotta wait for some like pullback. See, we have a zone here. You can wait for a pullback round here. You get a better entry, and you expect some more continuation. Not just enter here, because here you become the wick. See? Don't let yourself to become the wick. For EJ, in order to take this, we gotta have a 4-hour close. And one thing I don't like is that we're gonna have to make a full pullback of the 4-hour candle. And that's the breakout candle also. I don't like it if that happens. So we have to see. Whoa, EA is doing a nice retest right now. But it seems like it got rejected first. Now it's a second retest. Too risky. Some GBP pairs are the worst, man. All they do is fake out like left and right. Like GA fakes you left and right. Every 1 or 2 hours it fakes you. This GCAD level is very nice. At what point we might end up taking it, who knows? Because it's pretty good. It's the first time I've seen GCAD reject from an exact level and all the candles closing just below it. It's been a while since I saw GJ having a level like this, because usually look, it's a mess. But I guess CAD is going to be a little bit complicated because the elections are happening. You just entered a sell on USD. Do you want to become the wick, my friend? Don't take sells on Euro NZD. It's right at support right now. You can easily push up. It is too risky. Skip it. Skip it. You just took sells at support. And it's massive support also. Look at all these rejections. It's crazy. And a very ugly chart also. It makes no sense. I don't know about your strategy, but this can cause you big problems. This level can cause you a lot of problems. At the end of the day, it's your choice. You know, you might be right, who knows. Today nobody asked about gold. What's happening? Did gold burn a lot of people? Because it had a big drop. I guess some people try to buy at some point here. You know, most probably some people try to buy here because they thought the support is going to hold and they're going to have a big move to the upside. Maybe some people try to buy here too. And some people even try to buy here, but gold didn't stop all the way to the downside. See, when gold starts to move, game over. Even if you have 10 accounts, it's going to blow all of them. You know, you blow an account here, you say, okay, I'm going to the other account, I'm going to cash this. You take it here, you blow the account again. Around here, you say, okay, I'm going to buy now. It's for sure it's going to pull back. Then boom, you blow another account. You think it's gonna go back to 1.65520? I hope so. I hope it goes. I wish you luck. But it's pretty risky. Careful. It's gonna be a pretty long hour because we don't have anything happening. It's gonna be a little bit boring, but we'll see. NZD US dollar might give us here a small break and retest, I guess, but it's not the best. If it goes above the 4-hour, closes that comes for a small pullback, we might make it work here a little bit. It's a small level with a few rejections, which is getting stronger and stronger every hour. Let's go, let's go. GJ is going to 800 at least. 800 at least. Then maybe a pullback after that. Since we started with a loss, now we gotta be careful, you know? You don't want to take 2 losses in a row. And that's why we're going to be picky for the next setup. Unless it's a pretty perfect setup, we're not going to take it. Does anyone play Minecraft? Because I have no idea why people play that game. I just don't understand it. It looks like not good. USD Mexican pesos, my favorite pair. What's not good about it? I don't know. It's just the game doesn't seem good. The way it looks, I guess. It's usually if the game doesn't have like guns, it doesn't look interesting sometimes. Like I like fighting and these kind of games. Market is dead for now. We're just gonna wait and see. Next hour is the 4-hour close. If we don't get on the 4-hour close nothing, we gotta wait for New York session and we'll see what happens. Otherwise, we're pretty slow. We're going pretty slow. We thought we have a nice setup, but it ended up going all the way back. So now we gotta wait. Nothing's happening right now. Andre, your mic is still making a noise. Go to Zoom and test it. I think you can fix it easy. You play PUBG? No. I don't like it that much. How many pips did you catch? They ran away actually. We didn't catch any. They ran away. We lost 12 pips, which means we lost 1%.
Seth, can you check out USD?
AUD US dollar, yeah. Where is it? Oh, here we go. Yeah. What do you see here?
Just if we have a nice break to the downside.
We have. There's a break, I think, here. But we have this rejection here, which doesn't seem like a zone. But we have plenty of rejections on the 1 hour. Or just in between these two zones. I think just skip it because it doesn't look good.
Now, what I mean is that, yeah, we are in between the two zones, and once we break them,
Once we break them, still I think skip it. I think skip it because it's not enough rejections. Seemed like new level or weak level. Your voice sounds like an Italian mob. Don't tell me that, my friend. Italian mob. I have a picture that I look like an old Italian guy that owns a yacht, you know? The best thing is to chill and drive and listen. But I don't know why the quality is bad right now. The quality is not good. GBP pairs dropping? Yeah. They're not dropping, they are melting. How can I fix this? Dylan, yeah, something is wrong with because quality is bad. You gotta update. No, it's the same on all. All, no, it's something wrong. Something's wrong with the website because it used to be all of them nice. Yeah, I'll buy you a coffee, but you gotta fix the quality. New York City, so packed with buildings. It's packed. This van here looks like in the movies that the thieves use. This van that passed. Is that live? No, I think it's not. It's just recorded.
Thinking that
I guess this is better. Swiss Alps. So nice, man. So nice. I need to go here. What a perfect place. What a perfect full screen. I can't, my friend, because I have a 48-inch monitor. You're only gonna see one part after. This is better. Camera is a little better. And see, going from Italy to Switzerland. Crazy. I love traveling with a train, and I've never done it yet. Not yet. Gold buys incoming. Gold is not in a position to take a trade right now. It is too risky. I'd say maybe there's a chance that might happen. The level is here. Last time it did break above, did a deep pullback, a small rejection. And now actually is a little bit above that on the previous candle, closed above. And this is where the most rejections are. Maybe a better close, the 4-hour close, stronger close above. We can have a small push to the upside. Who knows? But it's very risky right now. I wouldn't trade gold. Your cat is flying. I don't want to see it, but I gotta see it. Yeah, if it makes a new high, game over for your cat. It's going all the way up. And this time it's going to be a 4-hour close. I have to see some options here, what happens. You gotta see the options here. If we make a new high, then I'll start to consider something. Again on your cat, we'll see. There's time for that. Other than your cat, nothing except your AUD. If we make a new high here on your AUD, I gladly would take some buys. See the 4-hour, perfect retest on the 4-hour. Why didn't we take it then? Because it was a second retest. The first one we didn't saw. Now it has created a small zone just above, plenty of rejections. It's going to be an after a break and retest rate, just a continuation. And what do we need here? Just a close above. If it happens on this candle, I would be perfect. There's another 30 minutes, so there's a chance. We'll see. If we end up closing above, just a small pullback on this level, and we go all the way to the upside. USD let's see USD oh my god, it's a bad chart, but it looks like a nice level. I don't see to the downside, but to the upside, if you want to take a trade, you gotta go above this level. And why not? You can take a trade here. I don't trade USD but you can. Why not? It moves weird. I skip it. Euro AUD is now giving me some hopes here, but we gotta act faster. I know 30 minutes a lot, but we gotta push above and stay there for a while. Then a small pullback and some more continuation. I'll be back pretty fast. It's just a small break. Was the train ride for a little bit. I'll be back. Let's see what we have. Looks like EA, it's not going up. GJ having a small pullback, as expected. What else do we have? Nothing yet. As the US dollar got rejected again, which means the more rejections, the better level it gets. And we're going to take it after it breaks. AUD CAD still there. I'll probably skip AUD CAD. I don't want to get involved with it again. Doesn't feel safe. This GCAD, a 4-hour breakout is going to be massive here. But I guess we're not close to that yet. We're not close to that yet. Gold is pushing now. I like this 4-hour because it's going to close above all these previous ones that we had them rejecting this level. And now we're having a full pullback and a 4-hour close above this. We might get something like this. You know, it's not bad at all. But trading gold is a little bit different on how to use a stop loss here than we are used to other pairs. The stop loss has to be bigger. Risk remains the same, but stop loss needs to be bigger and take profit also the same. Because you can see gold does these big pullbacks, which is not good at all. Anyway, gold is always the last option, and usually we try to skip it because it's not safe for us. GBP US dollar. GU is gonna have a breakout below this level here. It's gonna have a breakout, but I don't know. On the 1 hour, it's a pretty big pullback that needs to do. It has to go all the way above the 1 hour previous candle to come for a retest. Let's see the daily. We have a lot of rejection on this daily level, which makes things not good now. We skip the thoughts of taking sells on this level. Not safe. Alongside GJ also, it's rejecting this daily level. Exactly rejected from 800 level. As expected. A break and retest is not about to happen, I think, on the next hour. Unless you guys see something. If you guys see something, let me know. We have nothing. I guess it's gonna take longer to get a setup today. Yeah, no entry possibilities, no retracement attempts on major pairs. True. We don't have anything right now. The 4 hour is gonna close, but not gonna do anything, any big difference. Anyway, we have to wait. In 10 minutes we see if we have anything, and I guess we can't wait for longer because there's no need. Yes, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the stream open and I'm gonna come later on. So I don't want to end the whole stream because we might get something maybe next hour, and starting the stream again would be some more work to do. So I'll just leave the stream running and we come later on again. We can continue. For now I'm gonna go, but I'll just leave the stream here. Gonna eat some breakfast and I come later on. We see if anything new comes, because right now it's nothing happening. There's nothing happening right now. So see you later. What's up, guys? Anything big happened? Your USD still stuck. Stuck in one place still. My God, look at your CAD. It did the move. I don't know if I would take it though, since it didn't close above this. Oh, GCAD is close to break. We have 8 minutes left. Not too much though. Yeah, let's see how they close and we make a decision. Would you take GCAD even though it's CAD election all day? I don't know, to be honest. I think it's not gonna have big impact maybe during the day because the market's moving slow. Might have effect when it starts to come closer when they release the results, you know. But I don't know, it might be dangerous to trade CAD. It's not perfectly safe. We can skip it though, but look at AUD CAD, it's perfect. It is a perfect setup. How can we ignore this? We can't ignore this. It's a perfect break and retest. What do you guys say about AUD CAD? At least AUD CAD is, you know, safer. It's not as volatile as GCAD. We can trust it a little bit more. We have plenty of rejections, and price also respected this level a lot. And a few more rejections before this candle now. We're closing pretty good. Let's see how many pips the breakout is. It should fill the range slowly. 7 pips, pretty good. The whole range is around, yeah, 20 pips, pretty nice. AUD CAD is a slow pair just like UJ, yeah it is, but you know, we can get something. We can. It's also a 4-hour level. You check the daily. No, let's see the daily. Daily has the same level actually. Look at daily. It's a daily level. The one that we already passed. And the next one is exactly at the next a level also in 20 pips. Yeah, it looks excellent. I don't see any reason not to take this, except for that it's elections. But since it's moving smoothly until now, I guess it's still early for the election results. Yeah, I'm gonna take the risk on this. I'm gonna take the risk. Let's see what happens. I just need a nice pullback here. Let's see what happens. Erman, are you here? Send that chart you sent before. The USD one that was in consolidation. Let's see, it's good that leaves a small wick, so we go for the wick fill, and also the break's gonna be good. 7 pips, pretty nice. We're gonna have the close now in 1 minute. Wow, man, look how good it worked out. Oh, what a perfect setup. It's perfect setup. Stop loss below breakout candle. Yeah, well, let's see. Stop loss, let's see how, yeah, around 9 pips. I'm gonna use 9 pips below the wick here. Previous breakout wick, just below that. We take it at 750 if it comes. We take it at 750, and all we need is a wick fill after, and the move is done. And we get a W, and we move on. Let's see, starting account. Hopefully, if it fills the wick, I'll probably skip. We need the retest right away. Straight, no push first, then after coming for a retest. You know, if it pushes up, we skip. Only if it comes straight to make the retest. Let's check the other pairs. GJ, as you can see, already 2 hours of rejections, is rejecting this daily support here. We knew it's going to be a little problem there. It's not going to be able to break right away. And for other pairs, most of them don't have anything. This EUR/AUD might be something later on. Still is a little bit too far. Maybe it's this hour, I don't know, we'll see. But making a new high here might work very easy. Might be a very easy trade here. We can get at least like 10 pips here without any effort. Since the US dollar also, the level is getting stronger, we might get a setup like this in the future. GCAD is still there. I don't know, it's a very, very good level. I hate that there's elections, because this level is so good to miss out. It's finding a good setup on GCAD and there's elections. Unfortunate. Let's see AUD CAD. Are we gonna be lucky to get a retest or not? What platform are you using to analyze charts? At tradingview.com. Tradingview.com. I don't know, very slow day. Monday, very slow. I mean, there were some big moves actually, but nothing gave us a good chance to say. Someone took Sal's. I hope he closed. Okay, AUD CAD, let's go. Give us a retest. We need a retest early on. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna go, but I'll leave you with this here. This AUD CAD. We're gonna try to enter at 750. That's the first entry. And stop loss is gonna be around, see how many pips we have here. Around 9 pips, let's say 10 pips. Clear? We use 10 pips and all we need is a wick fill after the retest. We get the move. After that might push a little bit more and fill the range. This is what we need. I'll leave you with this, don't forget. I think it's gonna be a nice trade. I think so. But let's wait and see. 750. We're gonna take it at 750. For today, have a nice day, everyone, and see you tomorrow. Thank you for being here today. We started with a loss. Hopefully, it's gonna be the comeback trade for this week. Today, CAD elections, yeah, we know, but market's moving slow, so I guess it's not going to be affected now. So later on today, probably it's going to affect it. Right now, I believe it should move smoothly. If you are worried about elections, you can take some precaution here and use half risk, let's say, or don't take it at all. It's your choice. It's all personal choice here. Have a nice day, guys, and see you. Thank you, everyone. We take it when it comes to the zone. We don't wait for another confirmation because the breakout is our confirmation. This is our confirmation breakout. And the retest is coming soon. You can enter at 750. See you tomorrow.